Hi guys, my name is Albert and I'm going to show you the Lego Titanic as a review. So we've got these 4 horn stacks that move around so you can have them up straight or not. And we've got the flag right here. And the bow right here. And where the captain drives. And you have the little lifeboats right here. There are 12 of them. And the famous grand staircase is right here. And the first class passengers right here. Second and third in the black. And the building place is all the red. And this is the bow of the Titanic. And this is the back. So I'm pretty proud of this set, and thanks for watching.